points do I need?
Probably most likely going to be a no trading there.
Oh, let's see. As long as if I get an algo trade and I just get 6 points on ES, then that's my eval passed.
Yes, sir.
But if we don't get that, then I'm gonna scale back down, take the loss on the chin, and wait for the next swing trade to hit. Although if it's not today and I don't like I have to wait for the next swing trade, I'm probably not gonna be able to. I can try and gamble my way there, but I don't really like my odds. But yeah, I don't know. It depends. It depends on what I want to do here, how risky I want to get. Because really, I lose a lot more money if I go another fucking month. You know, I'd rather blow through a few evals than go another fucking month without a PA on this account. You know, last month it cost me like 5K. It's like, would I rather spend another $50 to get another eval going and pass one, or, you know, maybe take a $2,000 payout at the end of the month, right? That's what I'm thinking anyway. Oh. The winning days is rough though. I'm not gonna lie. For my strategy.
Oh, yeah.
There's a few of them where I'm gonna have to just take profits just to win the day, because otherwise I only get like 4 winning days a month on that strategy.
Company.
I need 25 ticks.
There we go.
6.25 points. Probably 26. Yeah. 26 ticks should do it. 6.5 points. That's what I need. If we're gonna dump, dump really hard. If we're not gonna dump, quit dumping. That's about where I'm at on this shit.
Not bad.
I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. I should probably mow my parents' lawn, but fucking I need a haircut too. Yeah, I can't even get a haircut today. Barbershop's closed. Been a mystery. The fire, one heart burns desire. Who's crying now? Ba. Two hearts born. Oh, this is interesting.
Yeah, no.
It's trying so hard to give me a setup right now, but doesn't realize that it hasn't given me shit. Oh, never mind. I lied. Candle didn't close. Candle didn't close. Strong ways. Just play some Journey, bro. Interesting. It gave me a setup, but feeds the fire. Two hearts burn desire. Who's crying now? Two hearts born to run. Fucking A. I'm really insanely close to getting a setup right now. But I'm not, I don't have one. I'm like 2 points off. I would rather not have a setup though, and then have this thing dumped to infinity and get filled and get my 6.5 points. Though, that's kind of what I want. That's kind of what I want.
Yeah.
Tell me what you want. What you really want. Well, this is what I want. What I really want. Instead of targets, let's just emotionally close my trades whenever I feel like it each day. Oh shit. It's a teeny weeny. Dude, this trade's disgusting. I technically have a setup, but my stop loss would be 3 points. The tiniest setup I think I've ever seen. Oh, it would be filled right now. Let's see if it would hit. Setup this size, I would never take it. Unless it's I get a wick out. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? The teeniest, weeniest setup just hit. For no good reason. That was a 1-2 RR on the tiniest setup ever. What the fuck? I would have had to go in with 15 contracts there. I guess I could have done that, but dude. On a 3-point stop on NQ is crazy. That's sniper action. I guess I would have sniped that. I would have sniped the fuck out of that. Came within like half a point of hitting my stop loss. If you give me a bigger cyst than that, I'll work with it. But little baby cyst is not gonna do. I need big brother. Dude, I almost didn't even get up this morning. I was so fucking tired. I had some weird dreams. I had a dream about me owning a Cybertruck.
Oh no.
And a girl from my
Can't be gay.
a girl from my high school was in it. I don't even like Cybertrucks, and I don't even like that girl. Like, I've never like there's no reason why those two would have been connected at all.
I feel you.
Dude, but we were just romping through the neighborhood. Just romping around. I don't know why the Cybertruck. Oh shit, I know why. I saw one last night. On my way to my parents, and I was like, what the fuck? Why? How do you have it was a park out front of a small business. And I was like, how do you own a business that small, but you have a Cybertruck? So it kind of got my mind thinking. And I also took some Benadryl last night, and Benadryl usually fucks with my head. So I think it might have been a combination. Because don't get me wrong, I don't think I would never own a Cybertruck. If I were going to do an electric car, it'd have to be the Model S Plaid.
Yeah, the Plaid for sure.
The Plaid's fucking dope. But I'm not against electric cars. It's just that's like I don't love electric cars. Don't get me wrong. But if I was going to own one, it wouldn't be the Cybertruck. I'd get a normal truck. I want like a Raptor R. That'd be dope.
Yeah, it'd be tough.
Or a TRX. But yeah, so just random dream last night. Really fucking weird. I was conked though. I was so out of it. And I'm pretty sure I also had like part of my dream. I was in my house in the night, like in the dark, with my AR-15 in that canted night vision. And I was going through my house. Like, that's really, really random, but I had like a night vision, like a low, one of those low LED optics that are kind of built for night vision. So I had like my main optic on top, and then I had like over canted to the side, I had like a night vision, and like a night vision laser. And I was wearing nods, and I was going through my house, like clearing the thing. Dude, what? I don't know how that led to a Cybertruck at all. Blowing through a Walmart parking lot, but fuck, dude, who knows? Weird ass dreams. And honestly, it was a sick AR. It was one of those where I could feel that it was my AR, but it didn't look like it. I think it was built. Tell you what, I don't know why I had two optics. Because right now the optic I have on my AR, you just turn it to the night vision setting. You don't need two separate optics, one for night vision. That doesn't really make any sense. But apparently that's what my subconscious was thinking about. Maybe it's because I have a prism on top and I had a 1x on the side. Now that would make sense. Dude, this song fucks. God, this is a vibe, man. Sorry, Moish. Better mute myself and turn this bitch up.
Confused as of late.
I will say it does look choppy, but this is what the kind of choppy you want. It's only chopping right now because of the fair value gaps, and we're basically getting reactions off of all of them, which is what we want.
Yeah, which is good. Yeah.
That's actually really what we want. It was a little inconvenient that we made a ton of fair value gaps, but look at every single fair value gap here getting respected. Every single one. Since market open, there hasn't been a fair value gap at least on the 1 minute that has opened, and I think honestly even on the 5 minute, because we tapped the 5. Well, we're about to tap the 5 minute. But like all these fair value gaps, they're getting respected, and you're getting reactions off them, which is very important for SMC. So that actually looks good. If there were no fair value gaps here, we probably wouldn't be chopping, I'm assuming. But we're getting reactions, and I'll take reactions all day. All day. It means when we finally actually get the setup, we're more likely to get a reaction and get the trade we want. How loud can I make this before my noise gate picks it up? Dude, I was bumping, I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, it's right there. This song takes me back to like TikTok in 2020 when I was getting car edits. It'll make a move here soon. It's 10 o'clock. It'll probably go before 10:05.
Yeah.
I'm hoping it goes in the next couple minutes. Could be a late bloomer too, but this thing's getting ready to. It might sweep some lows first, or like at least sweep this little 1 minute liquidity. You know what it looks like it's making? You know what it looks like it's making? A triangle. If it is making a triangle, it needs to make the bottom now and then go up. We have half a triangle. We have more of a bearish channel right now.
Yeah.
We
have a second trend line tap we might be creating.
Um. Also, hell of an SMT.
Bearish.
Bullish. I guess not a hell of one. It's just a 1 minute one, but.
Yeah, bearish 1 minute too.
Did we just make it? Oh yeah, we did just make
Oh, we
it.
had it.
We just made another one then. We're making them both. We made a bullish and a bearish. Well, the problem is ES is just going sideways, NQ is chopping up, so we're bound to get an SMT.
Yeah.
I guess you could connect this and make this the bottom trend line here, but it's fucking tight. That's why I don't trade trend lines. It's like when you have to say words like "I guess you could," then it's usually not all that sound, you know. I am gonna piss though, because if this thing launches, I need to be able to take some shit here.
I really kind of want to take a stab short here, but it's just, yeah.
Uh-oh, it did exactly what Joe said it was gonna do. There's your lows. Well, some lows. It didn't get the ones I actually thought it was gonna get, weirdly enough. But. And there's your bottom of the trend line. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know why, but the coffee's fucking hitting me this morning.
I might take a short here.
No, don't fucking lie to me. Oh, I have the chat open. Oh, dude, this coffee's hitting so hard right now for whatever reason. I'm gonna start tweaking.
Another thing about we did take out that low. That high we probably are going to want to take out is going to be up here.
We technically just made the bottom. We don't have manipulation yet. If you want, you can look at it two ways. You can look at we don't have manipulation yet, or you can look at that as the manipulation. I don't know what we're gonna do. We could either go up and manipulate, or go up and go up, break out.
Should we stop that one real quick?
Oh.
What the fuck?
Just put your stop at the very top of the entire move for the morning.
Yeah, that saved me. I was trying to get stopped though. Didn't because that sweep, we didn't really get an obvious sweep. Create bullish, bro. You need me to change in the sale.
Oh, are you out of this?
Yeah,
Oh, fuck. It's actually like, I was gonna say, this looks good for you now. We just swept that high. And we made a bearish SMT. was your stop? Was it right on that top? Because I think we made equal highs.
Yeah, it's right on that high.
How the fuck does that happen? I swear we didn't even make equal highs. I don't even think I grabbed it. It was one tick underneath it.
He broke the shells, yeah.
Oh, on top step it grabbed it. Oh, not on my chart. Actually, it says he didn't on my chart. Even on top step. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Yeah. Still no change in the state. 5 minutes.
Oh my god, we have a 15-minute bearish right here. Are you fucking kidding me? That's actually really annoying.
Are you serious, Tops? Bro. They just don't like putting me on the 4-hour time frame for some reason.
It's just nervous. Yeah, I don't think I can take this, man. I'm getting a setup, but I don't think I can take this. Like, we're in a fucking bearish 15-minute, bro.
Yeah, this is really just weird. Holy fuck, this is ripping.
If we zip up this 15-minute right now, I'll take it, but if we do that, it's gonna have to retrace so fucking hard to fill me, it's gonna be nuts. Oh, that's actually really frustrating because, like, we were so fucking close.
Damn, bro, this is really just pumping. Me even going.
It's just this fucking 15-minute, dude. Although technically we also made this 1 hour inverse 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know, mate. I don't know, lad.
Yeah.
Not sure how I feel about this one.
Yeah. Probably honestly gonna shop around the rest of the morning, I'll be honest.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. This is honestly not a bad setup, but it's like immediately bumped down to a C setup or a B minus just because I'm trading into a 15-minute reaction and we just inverse this 1 hour.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah, I can't take this as much as I want to fucking trade right now. I cannot take this. Also, that probably hit like right on the 50% for people taking shorts. Yeah, that was a 60%, I think, tracement.
Yeah, this is actually setting up pretty.
Yeah, that's your short right there. We just hit 60%. I'm definitely not gonna go long into this, but it's too bad. Didn't look like a bad setup until we were, you know, trading into 15-minute reactions, and it probably will. It might still give it to me. I don't know. Actually, I'll keep it on here. I'll keep the position open. Not open, but on here. Just to see if it would have made it or not. And mentally I'll know, okay, well, if this setup is working, maybe it's okay to take it. But also, if this thing hits TP and I'm not in it, I might actually cry.
Yeah.
One thing's for sure is it's probably gonna fill. I see some things that you might fear. I'm the highest in the room.
Okay, I actually really am starting to like this.
For shorts. Good boy, good boy, good boy. That was manipulation of this trend line finally. And now we're gonna distribute, I think. That's my opinion. Could be wrong. Or,
It's changing the state.
and this is the reason trend lines suck, is because it could fucking just rebalance and then do something else, but.
No.
I know what I did. I'm the highest in the room. I'll make it out of here. Turn up my noise gate, so. Alright, I'd be filled. Would have just filled me. And it's like 4 points for my take profit. And it would have hit it. It's about to hit it. It's about to hit it. Let's see if it.
Reverse that one now. I'm feeling it. Lower. We inverse this. I'm closing the position.
TP. Another trade I wasn't in.
Yeah, right here. If we inverse this at all, I'm closing it. super shitty fill too, to be honest.
I don't have a rule for this.
Oh, inversion. Don't know about that either.
You're already in it.
I really want to see a strong displacement move.
I still think this looks alright. I think you're alright. Damn, that was about right on cue with when I said that. Holy fuck.
Okay.
I just moved the market.
Come on, let's get this close. I really want this close because this changing the state's just holding off.
And I want it to go down. Maybe I have a bias, but I want it to go down. If it goes down, I might actually get a trade today.
Nice. Strong. What I really want to be targeting is equilibrium, but we will see if we'll go there. That's why my first target is just going to be this low right here.
C-Man? C-Man.
But I think we can definitely
C-Man?
go to equilibrium.
Seaman? Seaman?
I might even go break even once we take out this low.
I told you, man. Seaman? Dude, we knew this was coming, alright? Ride it. Ride it. It's going low, ride it. What's your 1-to-1? Is the bottom?
Yes.
Is that bottom right there, 1-to-1?
Oh, fucking bitch. Of course, bro. Yes. Took out the low first.
Hmm.
I really don't want to have to kill this trade.
Do a little. Let's do a little
Bro,
something,
as long
something
as you
here.
go on and off.
I'll look with you here. Where do we think this is going?
That's weird.
Where's our draw? I mean, I think we have a draw that's
Dude,
way
that
lower, no?
sucks, bro.
Now we're inside a lot of
You guys
bullish
could still
structure.
go to equilibrium though. Let's see.
We did push a lot overnight, I mean.
I don't know if ES does though.
I don't know, I want you to stay bearish on this. I kinda like it, but obviously it's your call. And there's a lot of things telling us that it could not be going bearish. I will say that. I definitely wouldn't. I don't think I would close it. But like maybe tightening the stop to like above that FEG or something wouldn't be a bad idea.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Just taking some risk
I
off.
really don't. Yeah.
What about the FEG we reacted off of?
Every time I do this.
Well, then maybe don't do it. It's your trade, man. I'll shut up.
I don't. Let's get inverse, bro. That is.
It's one of your rules. Technically, though, we ran the SMT. Like, we swept on both.
No, on the 5 minute.
Oh, well, I guess I hadn't looked at the 5 minute. Oh, on the 5 minute, you're good, dude. We ran it.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, look.
Did we?
That little low. Because nobody's taken the deep
I'm talking
low
about
yet.
the external. I'm talking about the
Dude,
external.
what the fuck are your charts? Why are your charts so weird, bro?
You see ES though?
Yeah, no, I see them both. I see them both on the 5 minute, and they both. I don't sweep. I don't have SMT here.
Really?
I'm on MNQ though.
That's weird.
Are you on NQ or
They
MNQ?
wouldn't- I'm on NQ.
Maybe it's just MNQ thing, or you know, maybe MNQ didn't sweep. Maybe NQ did. Check MNQ. Yes. Or sorry, I mean MNQES. I mean MES.
I guess it didn't sweep the external low.
Let's see. Go to the 5 min.
Fuck.
Yeah, no, I don't have it sweeping the low. I don't know, weird. Really weird, bro. Retrace was gonna happen anyway. This doesn't mean your idea is wrong. On the micros, we don't have an SMT. We didn't have one earlier too. I was confused because you said we had an SMT, and I was like, we don't have an SMT. I looked on your chart and we did. On my chart, we didn't.
That's weird.
Clearly, there's just enough difference between the micros and the minis. Because all the micro guys are holding this.
What does that mean for my trade then?
I have no idea. I have no idea what that means. I mean, if I were you, you're already in this. See how we just reacted off this though? You could definitely tighten the stop if you were afraid of it though. You know, because we just reacted. If we go back and we hit that again, and we break, if we inverse this 1 minute, that might be your sign. I would say that. Maybe keep the stop where it is, but if we inverse this 1 minute that we just got reactions off of, that might be the closing. You know, then close it. Not a bad idea. These are just ideas though. I really want this to go down. Actually, they still both look really good for bearish. I'm gonna be honest. If I'm looking at this as a breakout trader, like this is just reacting off the trend line. Like when it breaks out, it has to come back to the trend line because this is where people are actually selling it. It's just tough because we're in so much 1 hour and all high time frame, you know, bullish. Yeah. It's tricky.
Like this is now, like honestly this would be, I'd give it like a B setup, but
yeah, you're in it. I definitely wouldn't jump out. I think you have a good chance.
I just really want to see us start pushing lower, like probably right now.
If it's gonna do it, it's gonna happen soon because this is the retrace of the trend line right now.
Yeah, I really wouldn't. That was really inversed because I mean, bro, that SMT, that's weird. Why it's on MQ or on ES and not, or MES and not ES.
This looks like a good. That actually touched the trend line right there. I wouldn't be surprised if it shoots now. If we get a ripski to the downside, I hope we do for your sake. This looks like something I would try and breakout trade, but there is a reason I don't breakout trade.
Yeah.
Good.
That should be nice. What's our 1 hour?
I'll stand on that hill. If it goes up, I'd be surprised. Put it that way.
Yeah.
This looks like a pretty clean triangle to me. We have manipulation, we have distribution, we have a retrace the trend line, and now we should get like the next leg. And if we don't, I guess it's just one of those times where it's just a choppy ass trend line. I don't fucking know. That's weird. Unless it's a dual manipulation, which would be odd as fuck.
Oh, bro, this shit is so.
This is not necessarily what I wanted either, to be honest with you. I really wanted it to fucking. I wanted this thing to go down. I really wanted this to just send. All this high time frame bullish, dude.
Bro. Dude, yeah, that's like, that is gonna be a required rule is no trading inside of higher time That SMT, bro, is it like, why is it that different between the minis and micros?
Guess so, man. I don't know. It's weird.
It's in 5 minutes.
I still can't take a position here. Fucking A. Oh, my hands are tied. I can't. My rules are just saying, fuck off.
That reaction was crazy, dude. But even for this to come back, we need to close this gap. Just inverse this 1 minute, so I'm not too hopeful for this. We inverse this and we possibly can come back lower, but if bearish 1 minute gap, so here, so also if I hold this, we have a change in the moment to the upside. We need to inverse the fuck out of this shit.
I think it would have just filled me. Yeah. Would have filled me to the tick there. Dude, these trades. We're inside bearish confluence, but dude, these trades are fucking smacking. Trades are crazy.
Shorts were definitely earlier. Shorts market open crazy.
This thing hits TP again. I'm gonna be, I don't know, a little surprised. I can't trade in this, unfortunately. Hands are tied the second that 15-minute opened. Not girl. I ain't quite sure. I really hope we send this down. for both our sakes. It's the only chance I'll have of getting a trade today is if I take one on the algo.
Love to see this dump, bro. That'd be really nice.
I'm standing on my, I'll die on my hill. I think it will still.
Hey, lower low getting 80.
That's true.
Yeah, dude, we have to change the state.
Maybe I'm biased. I really need this to start going low, like right now. I have half an hour left.
Yeah, I want this to fucking. If it's gonna dump, it needs to dump right now.
But I need it to dump a little bit, and then I need to retrace. So you're gonna have to wait.
Majority of bearish close gaps on this pullback for whatever this is. And we do have a bearish fair value gap here, so we'll. That's nice. Yeah, this is our lower.
MES and MNQ look damn near the same right now.
Yeah, it's our higher low.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, this is actually looking good. This is
Get to
looking
going.
good on the 5 minute.
Get to going. Get to going. Let's go. It's time to go. Time to do something. Come on. A few more points. I need this thing to fucking get this midline down. Thank you. No, not a wick. Let's actually go. Now we have an SMT. Yes, just ran the lows.
It did.
Oh.
Oh yeah, did run the lows.
And wicked way the fuck off it. Holy god damn it, dude. Please. What do I gotta do? Do you want me on my knees?
No, for real.
I wanna fucking pass this eval today. I haven't gotten a fucking trade. I'm looking at this purely from an algo standpoint though, even though I made an SMT, that middle line is close enough to the bottom where I think a lot of times it reacts off this.
Yeah, I think we still go. I mean,
I'm hoping we go fucking lower, bro.
I think we go lower.
If we don't, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna break down.
Paired with that close, then it's like, alright, now we can possibly be looking.
We're chilling. I'm about to get in shorts with you, bro. We'll see, man. We'll see, man. We'll see, man. Seaman. Seaman.
Yeah.
We'll see, man.
I'm gonna close this 5 minute. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we're closing up to. Yeah, this is. Going.
Holy
This
fuck,
is
buddy.
This is going, bro.
Going up?
Yeah.
Like that.
No,
No.
no.
No, don't say that, please. I hear a ding dong now. I'm gonna be sad.
Yeah, dude, that 5 minute got zipped the fuck up, bro.
Dude, this line is right on the end of where I would take a trade, bro.
Higher low too. This is this is possibly the move where I get stopped out. You know, it would be nice of me to not get stopped out, but at the same time, I don't early, bro, because that's against my rules.
Dude, I just got Jewed out so hard.
Okay, ES still looks super bearish. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm gonna be honest, but ES looks like it's gonna fucking dump. Bearish. The fair value gap.
I don't know, dude. I'm gonna be in this with you if it actually fills my ass. If it runs before it fills, I'm gonna be so disappointed.
I can't even look at this shit anymore.
Oh my god, dude. It's not filling me. Well, that won't be a problem anymore, I guess. What? One tick?
Still doing the same shit.
You were gone for about 30 seconds.
Yeah. I was hoping that we like weren't doing the same shit. We have so many generated highs and generated lows. We need to run one of them, please, bro. Run.
We'll see. I'm in this with you now, so.
Alright.
I'm risking a little. I'm risking it for the biscuit here, but I need to get. I want to get this passed before next month. So, if we don't, that's fine. I'll de-risk for the next trade, but.
Yeah.
Not looking good.
No, it's not. After we take our drama liquidity, I'm probably just gonna start getting off. I mean, there's no point for me to. This is what happens.
I want to be filled so bad, and this is what happens when I get filled. I was like, please fill me, please fill me. Then I get filled, and it's just an instant fucking rip up. I don't know. Maybe this is it. Maybe it just edged my stop. I was one tick from being stopped. Yeah, it did not edge my stop.
Yes, it's pulling back to a 5-minute though. At least that's.
No, do not enter this.
No, bro. This is
Bad idea.
Yeah, terrible.
I
idea.
I don't think either of us should really be in this, but
No.
this is what it is.
Super low grade shade. Honestly.
And this is stop right now. It's gotta be. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting edged. How the fuck do we keep getting equal highs? Just hit my stop already.
I didn't even take the high.
At least if it hits my stop, I can go mow. Dude, I've been in drawdown this whole time, and I only have 2 points of drawdown. It's just fucking my, edging me. It's like right on my stop loss. It's been one tick from my stop loss like 4 times now.
Okay, bro, if we inverse this, we have to. This is so.
What is this edge?
This is the worst trade I've ever
6-2-35.
bro.
It's close to it for me. At least now we're back in. Well, I shouldn't. I'm not going to say that out loud, but you know what I'm. You know what I probably would say.
Yeah. Inversus gap and me.
This is a troll. This thing is just trolling us. We're getting fucking. Dude, we're getting trolled.
It is.
I'm not gonna let the fact that I'm in profit right now like do anything to my mood, because this is almost still almost a guaranteed stop out.
Dude, yeah, this shit is so disgusting.
I don't even want to watch this, dude. It's not good for my fucking heart rate. I don't even have to run. I don't even need to jog anymore. I can just watch trades like this.
No, literally. This shit is so.
Needs to be open to bearish gap. This is disgusting.
Dang, you already opened it?
Well, I guess not yet, no. We got an inverse 1 minute that we're gonna run the fuck right through. And now we're back in drawdown. This has gotta be it, right? Oh my god, dude.
I don't know, dude.
I just wanna go take a shit. I wanna go take a shit, eat a breakfast pizza, and mow a fucking lawn.
I just want to close this damn screen. Genuinely.
Oh, gotcha, I'm alright. I'm almost there with you. At 11 o'clock, I might just leave.
Dude, yeah, if we haven't taken out at least, like, this low, this external low.
5 minute 15. This is so scuffed.
I know. This is setting up for Powell. Powell's about to shit
Yeah.
on us. I don't know what. Okay, now this is looking like we're gonna dump. Can we please?
Don't say that shit, Creighton.
Okay, we're not gonna dump.
I don't know, dude. I'm on the 15 minute right now. I couldn't take looking at the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's so fucked.
Dude, if we can just get a if we can get a 5 minute close below this, that'd be awesome.
Yes, I agree.
I just need 6.5 points. This is such a drag right now.
I know.
What are the odds it actually goes here and doesn't come back up to sweep us? Or sweep me? I should say, not you.
I have no idea. I have a feeling if it sweeps you, it's probably gonna sweep me as well.
Well, my stop's tight though. I only have a 2-point stop. On ES. My stop is right at the 5 minute gap. Like if it retraces this 5 minute, I'm fucked.
I think we have to pull out the magnet.
Yeah, there you go. Let me get my magnet out. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I'm fucked. We're retracing to that 5 minute now. There's no shot. Is all the volume on this just dead?
Yeah. Really just
This will be stop.
I actually cannot watch this, dude.
Dude, getting edged.
Dude, really?
Bro, I'm getting edged. I'm about to come. And it just keeps fucking me.
Have you found the okay? Here's the magnet.
What we needed this whole time, we just needed your magnet.
Okay.
With 2 magnets,
Not a
certainly,
magnet.
certainly we're safe now.
We have to be. There's no way that this.
I'm about to go take my.
Come on.
This thing hits 11. I'm gonna go take my shit. I'm gonna leave it.
4 minutes.
Yeah,
I'm feeling that we're gonna chop the fuck up for the next 4 minutes.
we've been chopping the fuck up, dude.
Dude, how long have I been in this fucking trade? Since 10:21.
I've been in this thing for not as long as you, obviously, but still pretty long. Technically, even if we just grind lower, I'm still chilling.
Same.
I only need an extension past the lows of 2 points. I needed to get the lows and then run 2 points. If we can do that, I've passed this eval. Great.
I'll be close to the best tonight, but I think I'll be.
Dude, you know, watching these trades is usually somewhat fun if you get a distributing move. But like, this has just been,
Yeah.
this has just been so ass.
Like I like watching price move efficiently, but we're not moving efficiently.
No, we're just chopping.
What the fuck is ES doing?
I would close this if I thought that the second I close this, it wouldn't just run to my TP. So I'm kind of fucked now. I can't close this because I know if I close this, it's gonna run to TP. I should open another account, trade this on paper, and then close it on that trade, so then it runs the TP on this trade. Okay, no trades in NQ today.
No, like
I'm leaving in 2 minutes. I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna go take a shit. It's either it's gonna hit target or hit stop loss. I got a mow a lawn today. I can't sit here and dick around with this.
you.
Now we're good with pushes on
Dude,
ES.
why-
We're
why
good.
is ES more volatile than NQ right
We can
now?
just take the push on ES. You know, we're good with pushes on just ES. Okay, all we need is ES to push.
This is a fucking barcode right now, dude. I actually don't want this trade. Bearish SMT.
Yeah, this ain't worth the stress, homie.
NQ took that low. Okay. No. I take one low. We're taking one. Yep. Literally fucking knew it. Bro, literally fucking knew it.
At least if it stops me out right now, I can just turn my computer off instead of leaving this run. We didn't even take the low on MNQ. It's 11 o'clock. We should get a move, man.
Holy fucking.
One way or the other, we should get a fucking move.
I think this move is lower, buddy. Oh. Fuck.
Yeah, you should not enter this. I would not. You don't want to be chopped up like this, bro.
No, you don't.
If Kraid and I weren't experts at getting fucked, we wouldn't be in this. Although on that note, of getting fucked, I'm gonna go fuck up my toilet. So, are you gonna stay on this until something hits, Creighton?
I'm staying on this until this fucker hits.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go take a shit. I'll leave. I'll stay in the Discord and shit, but I'm gonna go growl one out. I'll leave the stream on and I'll leave the Discord on. I'll just come back after I'm done taking a shit and see if anything happens. All right. I'll be back.
Alright. Alright, let's see. Holy crap, bro. This is wild. I know, bro. This actually super surprised. Okay, so they both took the low. So now assist on ES. The worst trade I've ever been in. Right now, though, if we break through this high, we're probably gonna just. These bullish candles have way too much volume in them. Way too much volume in them. If we were gonna go lower, I feel like we would have probably already done it by now. It's 49,753. I can't even let this go. It'll actually blow my account. Holy fuck. I didn't know that. That's the only reason why I don't like Top Step X is because the rules like that. I have to close this out, bro. That account's gonna blow. I actually can't let this go to my stop loss. 300 more bucks, so it's probably like 500. I actually can't. Wow. Actually, I'm gonna have to close this, bro. I'm gonna have to close. I'm gonna be fucked tomorrow no matter what. Because I'm not actually fine. Yes, just skyrocketed, bro. Holy Yes, so much more volatile than you right. I'll tell you what though, we have a fat ass bearish S&T. Those 5 minute closes is when shit's gonna fucking get wicked. gonna change and stay on the 5. I'm gonna need this to literally fucking dump. I'm gonna need this to literally dump to come back. Dump right now. I'm saying a pullback. I'm saying we run all of this. ES is just retesting this 5-minute gap. That's what ES is doing right now. Yeah, I would literally need this to go straight to this low right. Like, if that's literally what. That's probably a bullish S&T, to be honest. But because that's what's gonna take in order for this. I really need to sweep out all of these fucking lows right now. Okay, a bit of displacement lower. I wanna at least like all of these need to be. We're not even at where I want us to be at though. Like I don't care about the P&L right. Literally going based off of price action, dude. I want to see this fucking dump right now. just for my sake either. Like this. These candles show good, strong bearish volume. Yeah, bro. I mean, when I first got in it, I was assuming that we were gonna dump right to equilibrium. I wasn't really ready for this. I mean, I knew we were gonna chop. The thing is, this isn't even a good trade, bro. I'll tell you that right now. Your move was at market open, bro. Your shorts were right here. That low on top step X. That's why I have a strong feeling we're going to equal. Might even just go take a piss because I need to pee really bad. Keep pushing. We need to get at least to this low, bro. At least. Keeps in this 1 hour and 4 hour gap are really, that's really fighting us. It is honestly like a super low probability trade. Actions you get after you are sweeping out lows, time frame lows inside of these gaps is this. We have strong volume on our 5 minute. It's looking like. Set up to go for equilibrium. We might even get a fucking pullback, bro. If it goes low. We have a rest of better price action, bro. I promise you. can chop lower. Really bad. And we have a change in state of delivery under 1 minute. And we're already in this 5 minute gap and we're not getting really good reaction. We're gonna need to inverse this too. Inverse this 1 minute and then I think we go. Can't hold this. We really can't hold this at all. Seeing what we just did to that bullish 5 minute. Bearish 5 minutes. See, this is where price action starts to get bad. Is if we run through this, bro, I mean it's just bad price action. And that just tells you. Now if we respect this and we see how we have big displacement through here, or fall if we're following trend. We even didn't create an SMT here. Our pullback to go take up that final low. Just because of the fact on how we're reacting to those and reacting off of this 1 minute, I really don't like it, dude. I mean, lower, bro, we would be pushing lower. We would inverse that. After we take our draw, just don't take a trade. Like, obviously, these lows right here and this gap, we literally got the move at market open. this is what happens. So today definitely should have been. Yes, already are technically, literally, yes, already took out that external load. Yeah, no, this is definitely trade, bro. Look at the reactions off of. If we really wanted to go lower, we would have fucking probably been inversing this. Would have already gone lower. But you see how we're literally. Several green candles right here. Yeah, they're not strong, big green, but I'm gonna just like, if we're gonna get another move lower. It's gonna have to be quick. It's gonna have to be fast. It's gonna have to be. This is hopefully gonna be our push. We need to get through this bullish 1 minute. So don't be looking to take. Don't be looking to short this frank up because this is actually this is. Loki I've always fucked with. I actually want to go feed so bad. Honestly, nothing's probably gonna happen. We'll see what happens. This is so. This is just amazing. I want to be done with this trade, dude. This is actually so bad. I like how we have this and then lower low, lower high, and now we're creating another lower high, but we should be creating a dude. You've literally edged on going to TP. Let's see how many times. 1, 2, 3. This one's just pull up. So terrible, bro. This price action. Shouldn't have even been trading this in the first place. Let me just clear up. And we're due for. We're not even really due for a pullback. I don't know how bad I want to close this trade. Like, it's just wasting away at my time. Taking me from drawdown to profit, from drawdown to profit. Go hit my stop loss. Realistically. This price action is so bad. I'm actually so mad I took this trade. Like this. This is going to TP or stop loss, bro. This is. I doubt this is coming back. I literally doubt. Because Top Step don't want to. It never wants to let 4-hour time frame. Yeah, dude. I should close this out. There's no point. Minute close. Changing the state. Yeah, dude. Unless we close this, then I'm not. No, I don't want to sit through this bullshit anymore, bro. in this in the first place. I'm actually so mad about this. Like I'm genuinely so mad. And the big displacement with the bullish gaps. I mean, this shaping up to not. Yeah, I don't wanna. I don't. I'm gonna speak out more higher time frame liquidity before you make probably a move lower to equilibrium. Everything's aligning for it to go higher. Yeah. I took in the first place. Like, genuinely. I just don't want to hold it anymore. I don't want to, bro. I don't want to hold this shit anymore. I actually don't. And we're not, you know, I'm telling you. There's going to be a change in the state of delivery on your 15-minute time frame as well. And then your 1 hour, you don't even have a 1 hour gap. So, like, that's why I'm thinking, no. Because our equilibrium move is going to be later. $300. No, I'm gonna be safe. And I really, dude, I want to close this. There's actually no point taking a trade here. We have no weekly profile. We already made our move. I mean, yeah. I've even been in that trade, especially just take fellas in the chin. And then watch. Now it will dump to TP.
Hey, fuck that.
Yeah, no.
Dude, I kept seeing lives, like live traders in my fucking, in my TikTok feed when I was taking a shit. I was like, ooh, Uh-oh. Oh, fuck it. Well, we didn't make it. We didn't make it this month. I need to quit doing the 1 to 1.5. The 1 to 1.5 didn't make shit for money this month. I'm switching, I think, fully to the 1 to 7.5, because that seems to be making money. So I guess I will have to wait another month to get a payout from this, which is unfortunate, but. I really tried. Nope, didn't go that way today. If it wasn't the day before Powell, the end of the fucking month. This is the shittiest day, like one of the shittiest days I've seen this month on like the 610. Which sucks, but fuck it, it wasn't meant to be. I'll trade it. I'll have to trade it right now and then fucking do that, so fuck it. That's alright. We just need 2 to 3 trades earlier in the month. Pass this fucking funded, and then we just lay off the account until next month. I am. I bet it all on that trade. This account was gonna pass today, or it was blown. I took my stop loss out. It was an eval. But to me, it didn't matter. It doesn't matter whatsoever if that account doesn't make it to funded today, then the account doesn't matter to me at all anyway. So I'd rather just maybe risk $50 at that trade possibly going down and passing eval today, but that account isn't worth shit if it passes eval tomorrow or anything else. To me anyway. So yeah, I took a gamble today, but fuck it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I gambled on Friday too. I was really just stressing. I was trying to get this account passed, but and then I ended up getting the choppiest day I've fucking seen on the 610. Like, this looks like shit. Looks like a cardiograph.
Yeah, this shit looks terrible.
Let me show you this in the 610. It's even worse. Look at that. Another day, no trades on my personal or my actual funded accounts either, so that sucks. Fuck, this thing's going up though. I was like, I'm taking my stop loss out. I am not gonna get stopped and have it run down to my TP.
Yeah.
It's like, I would rather pay $50 and just trade this next month on eval. Because the problem is now, if I pass this account, if I go and I pass the next account on the first 2 days of the month, it might be at $3 grand, but it doesn't mean shit for me. This strategy needs a whole month, you know? So if the first 2 days are 15-point swings and I make $3 grand, it doesn't matter. I'm still waiting 18 days, 18 trading days to be able to actually even use the account. So since it doesn't pass today, I have to wait a month anyway. So fuck it. Still made. Let's find out. 1. Four wins. How many trades?
Yeah, bro, we'll hopefully get one this week, dude.
Yeah, that's why we said don't take it, though. We definitely didn't want to take that. That was risky as fuck. This strategy this month made $3,400. On 2 minis. Well, I guess, okay, risking $200 a trade. That's 150%, 140% return. In 1 month, that's not bad. Should have just traded this, honestly.
Get something better. I doubt it though.
Powell's gonna fuck us.
More than likely. Definitely is. I don't actually trade tomorrow.
It was so choppy today. Holy fuck.
We have we have PMI at 9.
There were so many people in that short with us.
Actually.
Yeah. I was scrolling TikTok. Darrow was in it. There was like a bunch of random little traders in that short. Alright, boys. Well, I'm gonna get off.
Me too.
We will live